Welcome to Quality Assurance and Mechanical Power. My name is Samuel Viana. I am the Quality and Engineering Manager here at Mechanical Power. In this video, our team will provide an overview of what the Quality Assurance Department does and why it's important for our organizations.
At Mechanical Power, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality products and services to our customers. The QA department is a critical part of our organization, ensuring that our products meet or exceed the needs of our customers.
Our department is responsible for implementing quality control measures through the entire product process. This includes inspection of finished goods and final inspections.
These measures are designed to catch any defects before they can reach the customer, helping us maintain a high level of customer satisfaction and trust in our brand.
Without the Quality Control Department, our organization would be at risk of customer complaints, product recalls, and could damage our reputation. The QA department helps us maintain our commitment to quality and continuous improvement. Our team is made up of experienced professionals who are knowledgeable in the latest quality control techniques and regulations. They work closely with other departments, such as production and engineering, to ensure that quality is built into our products and services from the very beginning.
We are responsible for obtaining and maintaining quality assurance certifications, such as ISO 9001, which demonstrates our commitment to our customers and stakeholders. We've been ISO certified since 2012. However, due to the diversification and expansion of our business in recent years, we have decided to upgrade our ISO certification to a higher grade, widely accepted in fields such as automotive.
In January of 2023, Mechanical Power has received an upgraded ISO 9001-2015 accreditation, confirming our commitment to quality management and exceptional service delivery to our customers and stakeholders. This certification is a testament to our dedication to providing superior service and successful project outcomes. As we continue to strive for excellence, we will build upon this achievement by working to enhance our industrial manufacturing and quality management practices. Organizations that are certified to ISO 9001-2015 have demonstrated their ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements. The standard is based on several quality management principles, including a strong customer focus, the motivation and implication of top management, the process approach, and continual improvement. At Mechanical Power, the Quality Department plays a crucial role in our commitment to providing high-quality products and services. By implementing quality control measures and working closely with other departments, they help us maintain a high level of customer satisfaction and trust in our brand.